Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your home address and work address to your map on the My BMW application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this map icon down below, which is the second option. After that, you should tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen, My Destinations. Tap on Favorites, which is the first section. Here you can see two options that you can add home and work. So click on the Set button in the right side and set address for home. So type in your location, and then as you can see, it has been saved and added. If you would like to, you can add the favorite by tapping on this Add Favorite button. Type in the location that you would like to save and add to your favorites, and it will be added here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.